Hi, in this video of HTML5, we are going to put the implementation of media elements. Basically, its implement is quite simple and interesting, which will help us out in putting the audio and video file over the browser. So it actually helps us in putting the media things over the browser so that a user can see the video like you are seeing it right now. So basically, it just because of the help of such media controls. So we'll see what the controls are provided by the media elements in HTML5. So to implement the media, first of all, we'll see how to play the video files out here. So as you can see, inside the body, I have directly applied the video tag with the height and width. So obviously, as per your requirement, you can put the height and width. And after that, you can put a list of all the source files. When you will add the source file list, the first compatible file will start playing. Like here, first is the awk file and the second is the mp4 file. So here I have the mp4 file in my directory, as here inside HTML5 demo folder you can see there is a media file where I have a file called myvideo.mp4 which I want to play there in the browser. So once I will put the list of files, as I said, first compatible file will be played in the browser, and if none of the files are getting support, then this message will be shown over the browser. Alright, so let's go to the browser and refresh the page, and here you can see the thumbnail of my video is there. Alright, so I don't have any option of playing this particular video. So what I'll do, I will add one more attribute out there called controls. As soon as I will do that, you can see now I have an option of the slider, volume, making it to the full screen, time, and play and pause. So these are the number of things which you can see while working with the video. As you can see, when I'm refreshing the page, the video is not autoplay. So if you want that as well, you can put another option, that is autoplay. So let me save that, and now you will see as soon as I'm refreshing it, the video will be in the play mode. And anytime when you want, you can just click on the pause button to make it paused. Similarly, you can increase decrease the volume from here, and here is the slider. Alright, so these are the options which are available for the video file. Similarly, you can put the audio tag in the very same way. So with the audio tag, you don't need to put the height and width of it because it's not playing a video. And again, the controls and autoplay has the same option. Alright, now after that you can put the path out there. I don't have a current any file, but you can put that in a very same way as I did it for the video. And once you will do that, let me refresh that. Here you will see the audio player. Alright, so whatever the compatible file will be there in your particular location, that file will start playing. So this is how to use the media elements in your HTML5.
Tutorialspoint.com. Simply easy learning.